In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Elementor page efficiently and seamlessly. If you're working with Elementor and want to duplicate a page to use the same design or layout for another project, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that you fully understand each action without any confusion. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find the list of all your pages. Locate the page you want to copy. Keep in mind that having a clear idea of which page you're duplicating ahead of time will make this process easier and quicker. Next, hover your cursor over the title of that page. You will see several options appear beneath it, such as Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. What you're going to do here is look for an option like Duplicate or Clone. This option may vary slightly depending on your installed plugins, so keep an eye out for something similar. If you don't see this option, don't worry, because there's another way. You can use a plugin like Duplicate Page or Duplicate Post. These are free WordPress plugins that will add a duplicate option to your page menu. Simply install and activate one of these plugins, and you'll see the duplicate option appear. Once you click on Duplicate or Clone, WordPress will create a new draft page that is an exact copy of your original page. Go to your pages list, and you'll see a new draft named something similar to Copy of Original Page Name. Click on this draft to open it in the Elementor editor. Now that you have your duplicated page open in Elementor, feel free to make any adjustments needed. You have full control to modify the page content or layout to better fit your needs. You can change text, images, and widgets just like you would on any other Elementor page. A helpful tip is to always preview the changes to make sure everything is perfect before hitting publish. To do this, click on the eye icon at the bottom of the editor panel. After you've made your desired changes and you're satisfied with how everything looks, the only thing left is to publish this new page so it's live on your website. Simply click on the Publish button at the bottom left corner of the screen. This makes your copied page accessible to your visitors. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method to duplicate an Elementor page. Remember, this can be particularly useful for maintaining design consistency across multiple pages on your site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.